awesome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you all the box accessories what device comes. So let's first open the box, but we can see that this is so slide box. That's why just unfortunately we have no here any accessories. We have no here just charger brick, no USB cable, no case, no headphones, no SIM jack tool. We have here only the quick start guide, the safety guide, and some just the warranty card. So just a lot of paperwork. That's why you should buy all of the accessories separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.